Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making some homemade nut butters, so let's go ahead and get into it. The first flavor we're making is this coconut cashew nut butter. I'm starting off by soaking my cashews. Now you can either do this overnight for 8 hours or just pour boiling water on them for 1 hour and set them aside. Then we're gonna toast some coconut, and I really find that toasting the coconut gives it some nice flavor. You can definitely just do the coconut plain, but the toasted just kind of gives it that extra step. So I put that into a pan, and then once it starts turning brown, I just make sure that I am continuously stirring it so it doesn't burn. I'm gonna add in my cashews into my Ninja blender along with my toasted coconut. Now, I don't have a food processor, so mine came out similar to the Whole Foods kind. If you grind your own at Whole Foods and it's kind of light and fluffy, that's how mine turned out as. If you have a food processor, that's going to be more powerful than my Ninja blender, and that will get that very like buttery smooth as opposed to light and fluffy. So go ahead and blend that up, and then you are good to go. You have your cashew coconut butter. It's super delicious, and a twist on your traditional just cashew butter, and it's good on toast, in recipes, pancakes, just about everything. The next flavor we're making is this cinnamon vanilla almond butter. So I'm starting off again by soaking my nuts just in boiling water for 1 hour, but you can definitely do this overnight as well. You can take the skins off, I'm showing you how here, but I'm not for this, and I'm adding in some cinnamon as well as some vanilla. So nut butters are great because all these healthy fats are gonna help keep you full. You just blend it up and you have this warming spice of cinnamon and of vanilla as well. And lastly, we are making chocolate hazelnut, or kind of a spin almost as Nutella. So I'm taking my hazelnuts and again, soaking them. This is just really gonna make the nuts easier to blend. So make sure you do this. I'm taking a couple tablespoons of cacao and I'm adding in some coconut oil, and this is gonna make the chocolate. If you guys have watched my videos, this is pretty much my staple paleo chocolate, and we're gonna be adding this into our nuts to kind of get that nice Nutella vibe, because we got the hazelnuts and then we have the chocolate or the cacao coconut oil mixture. So mix that together and then just add that into your blender or your food processor along with your hazelnuts. Again, some people remove the skins, some people don't. I found it was a bit tedious to remove the skins, and you definitely don't need to. You just blend it up and then you will be good to go with your delicious chocolate hazelnut butter. So I hope this gave you some inspiration to make your own kind of nut butter at home and kind of experiment with delicious, yummy flavors. I hope you guys are all having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.